kids. In this video, we will learn about volume of solid shapes. In the previous video, we saw how Babban used 2 boxes and brought 118 compass boxes from the city to sell in his shop. And children, do you remember that the volume of each compass box is equal to 96 centimeter cube? Let's see what Babban is doing with these compass boxes.
If I make beautiful shapes using these compass boxes and keep them in my shop, then I will attract people and the sales will also increase.
Thinking about that idea, Babban first made a shape like this by using those compass boxes.
But what will be the total volume of all the compass boxes that come in this shape?
Babban started thinking.
Let's first figure out the number of compass boxes being used in this shape. The lowest layer of this shape has 4 vertical rows, and each row has 4 compass boxes. That means 4 rows multiplied by 4 boxes, that is 16 boxes in the lowest layer. The layer above it has 3 vertical lines, and each vertical line has 3 compass boxes. This means the second layer has 3 times 3, that is 9 compass boxes. The third layer has 2 vertical lines, and each line has 2 compass boxes. This means 2 times 2, that is 4 compass boxes in the third layer. And finally, the fourth layer has just 1 compass box. Thus, to find the total number of compass boxes in this shape, we need to add the number of compass boxes that are included in all these layers. So, in this shape, by adding 16 plus 9 plus 4 plus 1, we get 30 compass boxes.
Children, if the volume of each compass box is equal to 96 centimeter cube, can you find out how many centimeter cubes will be the total volume of all compass boxes being used in this shape? If you want, you can stop the video and find the answer. The volume of a compass box is equal to 96 centimeters cube, and Babban has used a total of 30 compass boxes in this shape. To find the volume of the total number of compass boxes being used in the shape created by Babban, we will have to multiply the volume of one compass box by the number of total compass boxes. In this way, the volume of all the compass boxes being used in the shape made by Babban will be 96 by 30, 2880 centimeter cube. Seeing this shape made by Babban, many people started getting attracted towards his shop, and gradually the sales of his compass boxes increased. Children, in this video, we learned about volume of solid shapes. So kids, in the previous video, we learned about volume of solid shapes. In this video, we will learn more about it by some interesting examples. When Golu went to the city, he saw very tall buildings there.
Why don't I build such a tall building in Champapur?
Golu thought about it and started designing the building.
To make each house unique, I will make it cube-shaped. The sides of each house will be 3 meters long,
he thought. So kids, can you guess what will be the volume of the house? If you wish, you can stop the video and think of the answer. The cube-shaped house has a length of 3 meters. This means that the first layer of the house will have 3 times 3, 9-meter cubes. And because the house is cube-shaped, its height will also be 3 meters. In other words, a cube-shaped house will have 3 layers made up of cubic meters. The volume of each layer is equal to 9 meters cubed. This means the total volume of a cubic-shaped house will be 9 times 3, that is equal to 27 cubic meters.
Well, the volume of each house is equal to 27 cubic meters. If I build 6 houses on each floor of the building, how many cubic meters will be the total volume of the lowest floor? The volume of each house is equal to 27 cubic meters, and there are 6 such houses on each floor. This will mean the total volume of the lowest floor will be 6 times 27, that is 162 cubic meters. And if I make 12 floors in my building, the total volume of my building will be equal to how many cubic meters?
Kids, can you help Golu find the answer to this question? Find the answer quickly by stopping the video. The volume of each floor of the building is equal to 162 cubic meters, and there are 12 such floors in the building. This would mean the volume of the entire building will be 162 multiplied by 12, that is 1944 meters cube. Golu built his building and the people of Champapur started living happily in that building. Children, in this video we learned about the volume of solid shapes by some interesting examples. Hello kids! In the previous video, we learned more about volume of solid shapes. In this video, we will see some of the misconceptions related to this. A new company has started production of juice in Champapur. This company has advertised that people of Champapur will have to make a unique shape using juice cartons. Whoever makes a shape of the juice carton having the highest volume will win the prize. All the villagers made different sizes using juice cartons. But what is this fight between Appu and Bhola? Oh, the owner of the company, Tarru the frog, has declared both Appu and Bhola as winners. So now both of them are fighting over how can that be possible.
Look at how wide my size is as compared to Bhola's shape. It means a lot of volume of juice would fit in the boxes of this shape. The reward should only be given to me.
Appu told company owner Tarru.
No, my size is much longer than the size of Appu. So the total volume of the juice of the cartons that I am using will be more than the total volume of the juice of the box made by Appu. Only I should get that reward.
Bhola said.
Look, let me explain to you both. Each juice box is cuboid shaped, with the length of 10 centimeters, width of 4 centimeters, and a height of 3 centimeters. That means the bottom layer of each juice box, that is, the length times the width, is 10 times 4, which is equal to 40 square centimeters. And because the height of the box is 3 centimeters, there will be 3 such layers. This means the volume of 1 can of juice will be 40 multiplied by 3. That is 120 centimeters cubed.
Tarru, the frog, explained to Appu and Bhola.
Appu, how many juice boxes have you used in your shape?
Tarru the frog asked Appu.
50 boxes.
Appu quickly said.
This means the total volume of juice being used in your shape of container will be 50 times the volume of a box. 50 times 120, that is equal to 6,000 centimeters cubed. Bhola, how many boxes have you used in your shape?
Tarru asked Bhola.
I have used 50 boxes too.
Bhola told Tarru.
Appu, can you now tell us how many centimeters cubed of total volume of juice is being used in the shape made by Bhola?
Tarru asked Appu.
50 cartons have also been used in Bhola's shape. So the total volume of juice used in his shape will also be equal to 120 multiplied by 50. That is 6,000 centimeter cubed.
Oh, good. Now I get it. Even though Appu and my shapes look different, but because we have used the same number of boxes, the total volume of the juice boxes used in our shapes is exactly the same.
Bhola told Tarru. The two friends understood the point. Both of them together happily shared the prize in half. Children, in this video, we have seen some misconceptions related to volume of solid shapes